welcome to Stonebrook. This immaculate 4-bed, 2.5-bath home not only has tons of curb appeal, but the location is top-notch and the neighborhood is unforgettable. With a pool, a park, a clubhouse, frisbee golf course, walking trails and ponds and creeks, this active, family-friendly neighborhood is indeed a hidden treasure. Located near the Elwood entrances to the neighborhood, 7725 South Frisco is an amazing family home where the kids can even walk to school with ease. Stepping in the front door of this home, you, your friends, and family will be immediately impressed with spacious and stylish finishes throughout. Just inside the main foyer, you'll have a large office and formal dining space. With one of the largest kitchens in the neighborhood, spending time in and around the kitchen and open living area is going to be a true joy. Whether cooking, entertaining, or spending time together as a family, this main living area is ready for it all. The master suite is pure perfection and is located on the main floor and features a master bath with dual vanities, stylish soaker tub, stand-up shower, and a walk-in closet you have to see to believe. Going upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a large game room. And built-in lockers in the drop zone just inside from the garage make keeping everything neat and organized a breeze. With new paint and carpet throughout, this gorgeous home with over 3,300 square feet will not last long. Don't miss out.
Hi, this is Sally Mulready. Thank you for taking the time to view this fantastic property in Tulsa's Hidden Gem neighborhood. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please call Sally Mulready, 918-629-9897. Thank you.